Hi and welcome to part 3. Since the last two videos I've been testing the safety minors with various models and various motor types. Before we get into the test video, some observations. I thoroughly enjoyed using these controllers. Their ergonomics are lovely and it feels much more like you're driving a train. No motors have shown any heating issues, and in fact, while control remains very good, locos are less inclined to buzz at very low speeds compared to when the Gauge Master controller is used. I have noticed very small stepping effects on some sensitive models, whereby the controller's brush arm may slightly stick or part lose contact. Nothing dramatic, but worthy of note. Remember, if you want an H&M controller, I have discovered the H&M Electronics webpage, where you can buy, get spares and support, along with many other interesting things. The chap that runs it is enthusiastic and supportive, which is why I've mentioned it, as I'm very happy with the help I've been given. Website will be shown in this video's information box and in front of you now. Now let's get on with the video. Test number 1. Loco is H&M 10800 with a fairly heavy freight train on. Controller number 1. Set on unsmoothed. Let's see how he does. Very steady. Now we'll do a quicker run past, just to check smoothness. And he's drawing just over 100 milliamps. The next test is the slow stop. Notice there's no buzzing or humming. Test number 2. The loco is D600 by Kerno Model Railways, and this is a coreless fitted model. So I have turned off my HF2 track cleaner, and this will be on controller number 2, and I've set it on the smoothed 100 microfarad setting. So let's see how she gets away. Very nice, steady start. And then we'll go for the fast run past to test the smoothness. And we'll try to catch the smooth stop. Smooth stop. Test number 3. HF2 is back on. We're back on controller number 1, and the loco is a Hornby class 08. And we'll go for the fully smoothed setting to see how she performs. So despite the heavy train, she's fine on the smooth setting. To save video time, I won't film the whole of this passing by. Here we go with the fast run past with the 08. Fast, loosely used. She's drawing about 180 milliamps. I'm now getting ready to do the smooth stop, and I'm still in the fully smoothed setting on the controller. Nothing wrong with that. Fourth and final test. This loco is 2636, the Terrier that my dad built me in the 70s, fitted with the K's open frame motor. She draws quite a lot of current, but we'll see how she runs. We're on controller 2, unsmoothed. Quite heavily loaded for a Terrier with a 6-coach train behind her. You'll notice she's drawing 400 milliamps, which is just what that motor draws. So I've sped her up and we'll do the fast run by. I've noticed no heating using the safety minors, no more so than using the Gauge Master, and the only loco that really shows it is the Cali Pug. So let's see if we can catch the slow stop. So there we are, that's the tests conducted using the safety minors that I modified in an earlier video that you can watch. Keep tuned for more, and there's another controller special coming very soon.